Mwana mwanchu muri Ndizi vyandonsi asoberete na nogosemberi kwana ni wendete gutwara litukulia ramisi jitariki 30 umutinyi oikomi na limo mwaka jirwene 2023 ni litukulia omwelio liomutinyi oikomi na limo nogosemberi kwana na andonsi oberete osasa andonsi oberete wendete gutwara litukulia litabwa bibiru kunyobinde nane nigo charagire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chao no baseka ngo kwarigania semesa ya mangana Amayia Iri umana legendete guateka imena isiko ya Gusii no kuborikwane karanso ike induranya uramanya yua senjera yoko ya chuta ikiana magarda okorekana imena isiko ya Gusii omurai bwense Dr. Muruto nigaraire aba Kenya asensemeri ya Nairobi anene asogo chengera omwaka yomo kisabasiori omuroberi wa Surafund irigo konya aba Kenya bali bokonyora wense bose bali bakubori kibese gikuru serikali boigo omurai yo Dr. Muruto nigo arobere irigo chugukwa nkwana yaye goseko jigo represent Africa asensemeri ya Dubai asege karaoke okoligerio go chenchi kwelire asensemeri ya Dubai ingati yana kwali ndio mwanchumure karabarai awo panete kurwe ngora ya bogose ogosira kwa Benson Kegoro yoroberi go chikweni wa Kendi ali sensemo ya Burabu county ya Nyamira ngo kwali no benanche ukomari nkomanya yu amo namanga senjere kwa juta karato kubatera na bigari nyanja moyo kwenne kibinago cheira senjere jibichamo na Mariogi Heriane Brighton Makori Togoya jagabono korwa se ebunge enene asabarai awagendete gutuma ngora se inka yomugaka osuyo kabero mu bunge West Mugrango Benson Kegoro oyemiroberi yaye yokomwenia egendete koroberiwa anene asensemeri ya Burabu county ya Nyamira gati abarai bendete gutuma ngora yabo ekerobanyende kumunyora Kegoro una umurayo lenge bwesiko na maskani asoborai bwaye ngamo no mugumende bwe county ya Nyamira Jerusalem amo nabarai bande abate biruna usiba munyuire Kegoro buna oyo bwata maskani no burai bwaye bwarenge obuya karbono badena nirebuya tumo inyore no nyorarire ekaremero byaye yokomweni egendete egendete koroberwa agojikweni wa sensemeri ya Burabu county ya Nyamira kajitariki kira gikoraliwa bene oyo no bunge oyo kabero mubungo West Mugrango Benson Kegoro ekarabarai bandete gutuma ngora yabo angeranyarite kagutwekamo egikiria
koyo minto Kegoro Mwaka Kegoro namanyekanete ko mugaka bw'engenchene na sengencho nero tomenta se politics nabo igo asa magendero manga ari gutoka Gusii gabwo Mwaka Kegoro no mwa approach kende gionsi garenge rais aende bwangu andanjite ko semia bantu tabwate Kegori ngaba na butogo tobwenete ko banabwo era nabare ko resonate nabana abake abasae abantu bagati amana abantu bekegori kiaye no mugaka oyokinire naende ogerire twasomira mange kurwesare engenja asirete nabayarenge yoko gasoko nene kiagera mugaka oria igo twatebunga gararete akarara mambe kanyora taiyo
ntwa West Mugrango asogo sirio mugaka omurai wengenjo sana taribo West Mugrango yoka osinyamira yoka usiyengima Kenya ngima no mwaka osikire mugaka mwekei murogete Nyasaye okinire familia yebuya Wenda bange to kwegerana ngaki kakenda anyarata ko bakomenya bongo buno bwo atworogatio atworokia mangana mange sana nyowe kabeto muchumbe sengenjo yo weke ikwaye enda kabo muraye bwa wecha kabe director
tegete gwa kiro mugaka Kegoro ngambiye mono nonye karaire asokorosia matangaye imirimo mugako yakora nimirimo erorekanete enchira bwatania abagusii enchira bwatania constituency ya West Mugrango enchira bwatania county yetu ya Nyamira Nyasaye uramwakane ekero muikoyo ikire iguru garia tegete kuiraneria ebunge ya 13 especially omospiko ito the right honorable Dr. Moses Wetangula asogo tenenie merobeli ya bunge litukuri ya rero ekero namuboletie egere bunge ngima siko na kurera umugaka umweshimiwa
ekero togosuka bose omokonyi bumurai bwenzeri gatiga shawani kobona aborire abarai awa gutabachanda bali bokonyora gwainse anene aslas ekero yarokanile buna noena se county ya Nairobi ekero chinyomba cyabali bakonia ebintu byainse bakonya goserwa kurwa senseme kaukwana sensemo ya Nairobi anene asomo sangano bogo chengera omwaka yomo gesobo korigose aslafani nyarage kosioliwa nigo umurayi gose nigo rigati ateruna ababokonyora abake na ubabegete serikali ya Kenya kwanza obisi yona barumbata kire kwewa esiko yabo na okora bokoreri bwabo buna ba Kenya osomo Kenya ndi bwensi asobokoreri bwaye asinsemo imeyense ya Kenya
because hawa ni watu waangwana, ni waaminifu. Ni vile tu walikuwa wamekosa nafasi, lakini wakishapata usaidizi ni watu waangwana na wanaendelea kulipa, and we encourage them to continue. Ningetaka kuchukua nafasi hii kuuliza viongozi wetu katika kaunti zetu zote across Kenya, hata hapa jijini Nairobi, hao mahasla ni watu ya maana sana, na wapewe nafasi wajitafutie na watafutie watoto wao. Hao mahasla wakiingia kwa street hawana maneno na mtu yeyote, wanauza mali yao, wanaenda nyumbani. Na mimi naomba viongozi wale ambaye tumechaguliwa tuwapende hao mahasla vile tuliwapenda wakitupigia kura. The sight of these hustlers should not irritate anybody. We should love them the way we loved them wakipiga laini kutupigia kura. And we want to urge our county governments not to be pushed na watu wengine wale wako na mali matajiri kusukuma hao mahasla. Hao watu wako na mali hawakuwa wanataka sisi rais. Hawa ndio walisimama na sisi.
Ekero togosuka bozio murai bwenze Dr. William Ruto ni gateruna uchumi yense ya Kenya mbuyere noenekera abakenya bagendete kurira ekere birengo bya uchumi bitaraikirana buya kolengana abakenya lakini kolengana no murai bwense ekera yakwana ase county Nairobi anenekero aikirana somoroberio buko chengera asla fandi ya kodro mwaka gisabasioli omoroberio yo nigo murai Ruto ateruna serikali ya Kenya kwanza insibudeneri bwa nigo ya bekire meroberio yo kwimukeri uchumi goro nande nigo bago chikokora gwakana madeni anari banyorete obisi kero bairete kero koba umurai bwense amono mokonyoye Rigathi Gachagua.
Mimi nataka niwatangazie Wakenya ya kwamba sasa tumedhibiti uchumi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Ile changamoto tulikuwa nayo, kisirani tulikuwa nayo, tatizo kubwa ambayo ilikuwa inatukumba na watu wengi walikuwa wanafikiria ya kwamba Kenya itaelekea mahali nchi zingine zimeelekea katika kukosa kulipa ahadi zao ama madeni yao. Mimi nataka niwatangazie Wakenya kwamba tumedhibiti uchumi wetu na sasa tuko tayari kama taifa kuhakikisha ya kwamba madeni yetu yote, ahadi zetu zote kama Kenya tutayatimiza na tutahakikisha kwamba tumelipa madeni yetu. Vile nilisema juzi nikiwa bunge, hatua yetu ya kwanza ya kulipa yale madeni ambayo yamekuwa yakitusumbua tunaanza mwezi ujao, huu mwezi wa Disemba, kuhakikisha ya kwamba we put our country in sound economic footing. Let me tell the people of our great nation Kenya, the challenges we had a year ago, we were staring at debt distress. We are staring
Asejinga gejeje murai bwense ni gateruna asurafan teri arenge yage siasa kolende numoroberio osiorati wasense ya Kenya azonyaroko konya banganene bali banyarde bakoruse kibese gikuru asomoroberio yo atadena nigo bagendereire boiga sateruna umoroberio chikogendera asoko konya bali baku ikibese gina kogenderi ase ubugimo bwabo nigo yarekana na murai bwense nigamochi bali bare komochi umoroberio ya sadena go ikabono abakenya bange nigo banyorero konyeka wetera somoroberio yo wasla fund.
Leo ni 1 year ya Hustler Fund na niko na maneno ya kusema na hii Hustler Fund. Watu walikuwa wanafikiria ni mchezo, watu walikuwa wanafikiria ni siasa, watu walikuwa wanafikiria ya kwamba ni mambo tu ya kuongea, Mimi ile niliwaeleza ni kwamba ile manifesto tuliandika sio gazeti ya kufunga nyama. Hiyo ilikuwa ni sera ya serikali ambayo itabadilisha maisha ya wananchi. Tulisema ya kwamba tutakuwa na hazina ya Hustler Fund kwa sababu Wakenya zaidi ya milioni 7 walikuwa wamehangaishwa katika CRB. Mtu akitaka hata kwenda kwa bank anaambiwa wewe uko kwa CRB, wewe hufai. Akitaka kwenda kutafuta huduma fulani anaambiwa wewe uko na CRB, wewe hufai. Niliwaahidi ya kwamba tutarepair credit limits ya hawa Wakenya milioni 7. Mimi nasimama hapa leo kusema the 7 million Kenyans who were condemned in the CRB ecosystem, today we have repaired their credit and we have made sure that all the 7 million Kenyans are out of CRB.
Magiga ayekigambirize haiko beke bureki asensemeria ya housing levy nigobono bali bakora emirimo asensemo y'ubwagachi anene asense ya Kenya gusibakora sensemo ao asubwagaji w'inyumba bwachagetigwe nigobono balere na otabuna housing levy esekorusi woro nigo baraji gusiri omeremeri bakora asenseme nigo babolina tigebe se yegendere korusi gwikyagera ero nigo yabakonyire asokonyora emirimo asokoro bobundi asinyumba ao chijigendete kwagacho sensemo ao imeyensi.
Najivunia kuwa hapa. Sisi wa mama at least tunalisha watoto wetu hapa, tunasomesha watoto wetu hapa. Sasa hii project ikifungwa tutahangaika.
Ikisimamishwa sisi kama youth tutakosa kazi, alafu itatufanya wengine watarudi kwa crime. Wengine watauza, wengine tunaona kama sasa imepunguza mambo ya crime, imerudi chini na bado tuko na kitu tuna nini? As in wizi itakuwa chini na sisi kama youth tunaweza kujitegemea.
Kwanza kabisa nitakosa kazi, watoto wangu pia watakosa chakula because at the end of the day weekly basis huwa nalipwa. Na mwisho wa siku kwamba pia unaangalia kwamba ni masiku ya sikukuu. Sikukuu zikifika Christmas wide, tukikosa kazi, watoto wetu watakosa na hata ile matumizi. Na tena tukitoka after Christmas tutaenda mambo ya back to school. Kama mimi sasa nimeanza kujipanga mambo ya back school. Hii project ikisimama, nitakosa kupata mapato yangu na watoto wangu watahangaika.
So ikisimamishwa, youth wengi watapata kwa kuenda. So itakuwa imetuaffect sisi kama youths. Ukiona hapa tunapata kila Saturday tunapata unga, wengi wetu hatukuwa job. So ikisimamishwa naona nashindwa kwenye tutaenda sisi.
Kiumbe keri kia matemu nek ni okendete komo chigwa asama chibu ya matemu yekrasikia tano toto yanataka kubwatu kwa wiki edit ko liaramisi kubwatu kana naba bunge kukwandinga ne iritukire goro nigobono ba mochirie kiumbe kyo aso kwa yereria machibu ayo ekero bateruna asijinsemo awoni gaboro kiwa bagendete kwemurungania asama chiwa mabanyara bakonyora omwako yo bakorawa oseka ukwana sebunge iritukire goro bunge ya West Moglango Steve Mugaka nigonera mochirie getambo kerekyo asama chiwa nyataka gosoka hatariko gokia aba Kenya.
Conduct of Kenya National Examination Council. These were not exams they were administering. This is a bogus neck. This is a rogue neck. This country has done away with the rogue IEBC. Why can we not do away with this rogue neck? In my constituency, Nyamira South Sub-County, they targeted certain schools. They were stripping girls. Yes, they were stripping girls, men stripping girls going to do examinations. These are just sex pests hiding under neck, trying to molest our children, violating them left, right, and center. I was one of the first people to issue a very hard statement saying that this neck is rogue. I am not surprised these are the results they are giving us. These were fixed results. These are not results of our children. You can defraud anybody, but don't defraud Kenyan children. Education is everything. If you can bar a child from pursuing their career, from becoming the best Kenyan citizens that they can ever be, what do we have that neck for? What was the hurry of releasing these results? I urge this House, if there is anything we can do for these Kenyans, it is to disband that neck It is to order.
Igati ababunga boigo niko baburirie kiumbe kyo kiane amo ne wisara yechisemi kurigeri amangana ayo nonye nabo gutuguterara machibu ayu anyaritheka gosokiwa egigeri asabadena machibu ayitabu atibosera bonde bwense asense ya Kenya boigo ni bamajina inkai bali kwayerera gochi ekarwara gosokia machibu ase bwango bono niko babona machibu ayise gutuguterware na kurigereriwa asoboya.
We are looking so badly as a country when examinations are stolen. We are looking so badly when we cannot even place results properly. You really wonder sometimes why the rush. What is it that one wants to achieve by marking exams for 1 week? Where do they want to run to? And even if that is the case, why don't we have another week after marking just for purposes of cross-checking and doing serious verification so that people get the results that are theirs. Students get results that are theirs. Pupils get results that are theirs. What is this that we are doing in this country? Mr. Speaker, this is really wrong. And it has to be fixed. Otherwise, we are living pretense, we are living a lie, and that's exactly why everything else that we are doing in this country is going out haywire. It's getting a mess. Yeah, it's really going to the wrong side. So, Mr. Speaker, this idea of mixed marks, this idea of people missing their marks, this idea of mismatching of marks, these are things that are doable and can be verified so easily. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to believe that if there is no way that the
Libori na bunga kinga Ibere kwayerera gochi abuna babunge bakobori ekiombe kyo kiamatem kiane kiamone wisara yechisemi gotosuka bosyo nigoboigo ebunge yanarithiki gukwanira ringana ria gambling sense ya Kenya anekrobate na gambling na yirira basa bange wesonani asobokabara asebe baburi na richi gondekere kobeku kolingoli amangana gambling no ne tax kobeku goro ekiani go yirira basa bange gosoa asimurobero o gambling yabaire koba abakabara batari gwetoma na gukora emiremere esabuni osendagera yakira litko
productive to go and gamble with the hope that they will make it in life through gambling. Honorable Speaker, we must ensure that we discourage our young people from getting into rather unproductive economic activities like gambling and encourage them to get into more productive, economically productive activities other than gambling, Honorable Speaker. And you don't do that by lowering tax. When you lower tax, you make it very easy for them to gamble. And I know the other argument, Honorable Speaker, and I have seen it in the presentations by the industry players, that once you raise the taxes here, people will go and start gambling outside the country online. Honorable Speaker, if governments around the world are able to stop people from using WhatsApp, how difficult is it for a government to stop people from gambling online? It is possible, Honorable Speaker, and you don't need to stop them. Tax them even when they gamble online. At the end of the day, there will be a way that you have to remit money, whether it's through PayPal, whether it's through M-Pesa, whichever means that you use to transmit that money to the company you are gambling with, whether it's a company in the UK, whether it's a company in the US, whether it's a company in South Africa, so long as you're able to remit money, government should be able to institute means and mechanisms.
Abono nongo ikomweri bamangana itama ye Chinsa Isano Ibere kondinyura chikora Chinsa ikomi ensa ya morning says don't kanyora yo mange unaendeza wateka imina isiku ya usingo bakirambia bana bali baira wanene asense mitandao na IGTV channel Dolphin Mara Lebeka Bochere Finisant Kanyaru na wasiri mkuu na banda banga watu bwatu kutera asensemo ye mitandao sensemeri ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital kwa wanindo jechare dia yera kurwa asensemo ya Washington DC States of America na de ano ali miyumura de ana My Heart Choice Ndizi TV My Heart Choice always following loud and clear hali asensemeri ya Washington DC States of America sana sabari baida chinga jabo kubwatia mangana haya asenjera yobwenga skinse chigorede nyorana merobire tunegende kera lituko mwanju muri butame go debuna omete kubwatinga yole naro kolera naro goseka anegora kuri ligoro yamangana yomopira naro jibuna ekere timu gete jigwa kaibere eyemo ekwegwa ered timu irinde karo ya red iriende ni geko serekana bono batigaira bakena botoku baikora igobone kubwati nkayore red kwa irwe gose ni gora se timu iriende ayo kanya konyarengereria umwanchumureria tiangorera abe twabwatana na bigairi nyanchama oyone kina marigine chibicha gocheire asenjira ya bene eliane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii. Omurigiria bu television ya Ndizi TV umurubiri Gusii Urban Blaze uyungo kirakira gituko rya Jumatatu wika ijuma gucakira Chinsa Isano n'izitwa gwika Chinsa ikomi na Petra Mukera na Miss F nigo gukoretera umuyigo munene kigima w'ubukuru mwaka na bwo gucengera ebiyego by'abateria bamatera yabasaye
Karibisha katika Gusii Urban Extravaganza. Leo tutakubali kugoja Mosi asama chama na Akamel Park. The only 5-star hotel in Kisii. Imagine.
Gusii Urban Extravaganza. Shitariki Ibere cy'umutinyi 12 asoma bogani Akamel Park. Abateri buna Zaro Classic, Van San, Umunyama, Malika Junior, Adidi Flavor, Smart Killer, Musumari, Najboy Penkiller, Oro Nyambobe, Gaza City, Okoa City, Teddy Brown, Man V Eriogo, Rapper Steve, Tiger Msanii, Jeff the Puja, na Bandabange, Abubagendrete Kwilikia, Bikere Naroro, na Koreto Mogoko, Uchakira Chinsa Isano n'izitwa Chamugaso, Gwikarigobe. Bono ayibuno mwanchi w'abateriaba nabo igomwanchi w'umurubyo Gusii Urban Blaze tware tariki y'uwegera naroro ryunyari ko basira chaka kugura ticket ya bono lipa na M-Pesa till number kianda Isano nemo marakane Isano eyemo guswa kesimi asichina mbichi iryo manyamange ebesa yogo soiraroro nichishili gichimi ibere chuka Gusii Urban Extravaganza na Gusii Urban Blaze ekebemberi bori Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii umurubiri ukubwatia nigo kurigirarigwa n'ebigori byonsi.
Bienvenido sana mwanchumuri wita sene kya Ndizi TV ne biro genda na tokumerana asomoro biro gusabaliye vancheria ndeta tokumerana no mwancheria buri tukorero uyo rabega gutumanya amange gwetera oboncheria bwaye na kya cyagite gwekera bona iga mwanchumuri ngo kwagenda na somoro biriga ndeta tokosanga asomwamo asense mwachiche mitandao asense ya Facebook na bakwenda gutubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na sense ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asense moya website na bwatanya wekera www.ndizitv.net. Tireterane feedback yorubo kengere libageri ya bana kwa yene monchire buli